Get ready for an extraordinary day of excitement and discovery at Newton World School's Scholarfest. It isn't just a celebration, it's a gateway to a future filled with possibilities. Seize the moment and avail on-the-spot scholarships during our admissions carnival. And for the curious minds, get a chance to dive into the wonders of technology at our state-of-the-art Robotics Lab. Prepare to immerse yourself in diverse activities, from finger painting to the elegance of fancy dress, thrilling races, and more. Scholarfest has something for everyone. What's more, you can also indulge in tasty treats at our food stalls for a sensory feast. Winners not only take home certificates and medals, but also fantastic prizes. Save the date. Join us for Scholarfest on December 17 starting at 9:30 a.m. for a day filled with knowledge, fun, and endless possibilities.